Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeeYog, and this is day 6 of our 100 days 100 Python project challenge. Today we are building a weather app that tells you live weather details for any city in the world, all using the Python and one API. And you will see how Python connect to the internet and fetching the real data and displaying it to beautifully. And here in this weather app, you just type your city name and it will tell the temperature as well as humidity and your city name. Okay, so before we code, we will go to one website. That website name is OpenWeather.map.org. You can also go in this website, and in this website you just create your account, and from this website you just get your API key. So here it is there, my API key. You just click on this API key. When you will click on this API key, then here you will find your API key. So just copy this API key and then let's dive into the weather code. Okay, so before we are going to code, I want to explain you one thing. What is that API? So API stands for Application Programming Interface, and it is how that two systems will talk to each other. Like here our Python code will be there, and another one our website, OpenWeather website. So how that OpenWeather application, from that OpenWeather application, how our Python code will fetch all the data. So API, it will work as the mediator application programming interface. So how this using this API key, that website will be connect to our Python code. Okay, then Python will send a request to OpenWeather API, and the API will send back a JSON data like temperature, humidity and weather condition. Okay, so now we will use the one module, that module name is request module. So import request. Okay, if the request will be getting error or something error will be there, so you can use the terminal, new terminal, and here you can type that pip install request. Okay, when you will install this request module, so it won't show any error. Okay, so let's import the module and define our API key. It is already installed in my laptop, so I am not going to install it. Import this one. Then here I will keep one variable name API underscore key, and here we will keep our API key. You can also paste your API key. Next, base URL. And that base URL, just delete this one, then go to the website, copy this URL and come to the page and paste it again here. Then instead of this home, you can just write here API. Then here it's written API keys. So instead of this API keys, you can just type data /2.5 and weather. Okay. Next we will create one interface for users. So print welcome to weather app by CodeeYog. Okay, next here I will write one loop while true. Why I am writing this loop? Why? Because of if user want number of cities, so they can write using the number of cities, then city is equal to input of enter city name or exit to quit. Okay, and this one we will take as a lower. Okay, then if someone is type exit, then our loop will break. Okay, print thanks for using weather application, goodbye, and here our loop will break. Okay, if someone is typed any other things, so I will use here try and accept method. So using this try and accept method, our program will not crash. Next, accept. In that accept, I will write exception as E, then print something went wrong, please try again, then exception I will give E. Okay, so our program will not crash using this try and accept method. Now I will write the URL. Okay, in that URL we need to create that in the format of F. Now base URL, then Q of city, this is city variable, then API ID, in that API ID I am given the API key. Okay, so this URL we will take as a response. So for that I will create one variable response and request dot get URL. Okay, and all the data we will get in the JSON format. So data is equal to request dot JSON. Okay, now if data output is not equal to 0, means data that in the data the city will not found, then it will write that city dot not found. Okay, city not found, please try again. Else if the city found, then what we need to print all the things, like print here first, print of F weather in city dot title, write the data title name. Next, print the temperature of in degree centigrade, then print the weather data and description of the title, then also type here print of humidity in percentage. Okay, if you want wind speed also, you can get the wind speed also. Okay, so here our weather application is completed. Now I am changing my API key I am giving here. Okay, now let me run this code. Enter the city name, Hyderabad. See, weather in Hyderabad, temperature is 20 degrees centigrade, weather is humidity 68% and wind speed is 2.06. If you want to exit, you can exit. If you want more, then you can type. I will use here Bangalore. Now weather is in Bangalore, 22 degree temperature is there. Next, I will check in Mumbai. In Mumbai, 29 degree centigrade is there temperature, smoke is there. Now I will check Bhopal. In the Bhopal, 19 degree centigrade is there. Now I will check Chhindwara. In Chhindwara, 16 degree temperature will be there at this time. Okay, so this is what our application is ready for finding the weather information. Okay, and here it will show the current temperature, humidity, condition, and it's fetched live from the internet. So this is your first real world data project using the API key. Okay, so this is what coding is all about, using your logic to talk to real world system. And I am Yogesh. from the CodeeYog. I will see you in day 7 where we will build a new project that is very interesting project. So don't forget to like, subscribe and keep coding one project a day towards your empire. Okay, share this to your friend. Thank you guys.